Hello YouTube, this is Syra. In this video, I'm going to quickly show you how to hard reset your Tecno W2. For this case, I have this phone. You switch off your phone first. Then after, you press the volume up key and the power up key in order to go to the next step. You long press and it brings that. If you see the Tecno logo, then after you leave. You use this volume up key and power button key down to navigate. For this case, if it reaches here, you first come on the wipe catcher partition, you place the power button to save changes. Then after, you come on the wipe data and factory reset. You also do the same. You move down here where it says yes, delete all user data. For this case, you're going to lose all your data because it's a very quick step and easy way to hard reset your phone in case you forget your password, PIN, pattern, anything of that kind. As long as it's a Tecno W2, this will work for you. You press the power button to agree with what you're doing. For this case, you have to reboot your phone. Then after, you leave it for some few minutes, like 5 to 4 minutes, your phone will be ready to go on the next step. So you give it some few minutes as you're going to see. So thanks for watching. If this video has been helpful, please subscribe on my YouTube channel, and my name is Syra. Click the bell icon in order to get notified whenever I upload useful videos like this. Thank you.